Guys, I'm on Canal Street in New York, right behind me, and on this street you can get all kinds of fake cheap stuff like Louis Vuitton bags, Prada, Rolex watches, all that stuff. They even got some guys selling weed right on the street. So the prices are definitely lower than in the stores for these bags and stuff. But I'm wondering, is everything here cheap and low quality, or can you get something good for like $1? Like maybe, I don't know, a 99-cent slice of pizza. And apparently these things are disappearing very quickly in Manhattan because of inflation. So this one still says 99 cents. I'm gonna go in there and see how good a 99-cent slice of pizza is on Canal Street in Chinatown. So these are the slices you get for $1 each. I'm sure it's not the greatest pizza you ever had, but for $1 it is not bad. And a place around that I go to in Jackson Heights is $3 1/4 for a slice. And the slices are better, but they're not 3 times better than this, I'm pretty sure. So let's take a bite and see how it is. Pretty good for $1, I gotta say. In the middle of Manhattan. Not a big menu, but...
Yes.
No, I was just asking him, how much longer can you keep this pizza at $1 because of inflation? You have to raise the price soon?
This one maybe, I'm working like 7 years. I think before maybe 10 or like 15 years.
So I think those guys didn't really understand, especially with the camera on them. I was just trying to ask them how much longer they could keep the $1 slice going. It seems they're going to keep doing it, but I see news stories that other places are getting rid of the $1 slice and going to $1.50. So if you want to see other cheap stuff on Canal Street that you can buy besides the pizza, take a look at this stroll I just took a few minutes ago.
But that, like, and
And they got everything over here.
Sorry.
So Canal Street.
Lakum